Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan urges historians to document only genuine historical facts of various communities to avoid conflicts in future. And Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla convenes all political party meeting ahead of winter session of Parliament. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. My name is Joyce Rusham, bringing you the top stories and the latest news at this hour. Inner Manipur Parliamentary Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan appeals to historians of the state to document only the true historical facts of various communities of the state to avoid conflicts and confusions among communities in the future. He was speaking at the annual meet of Manipur Historical Society today. Manipur Historical Society and Standard College jointly organized the event at the conference hall of the college in Kongba, Imphal East. Dr. R.K. Ranjan maintained that it is time to discuss on the solution that may be brought from the state's history to the current situation. He appeals to Manipur Historical Society to write authentic history based on true incidents to avoid communal controversies like the recent Anglo-Kuki War controversy. He stressed on the need to carry out in-depth research and document the genuine history of tribal and Muslim communities of the state. Dr. R.K. Ranjan asserted that tampering of the state's historical facts by some powerful people will ultimately lead to conflict between different communities.
ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕꯗꯨ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗꯗꯤ ꯍꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯄꯪꯏ 이ꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯇ꯭ꯋꯤꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯒꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯂꯥꯟꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯈꯔꯁꯨ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯟꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯦꯜ ꯂꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯟ ꯌꯨꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯡꯗꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯂꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯝꯃꯤ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯝꯃꯤ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯝꯗꯦ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯆꯌꯦꯠꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯆꯨꯋꯦꯁꯟ ꯀꯟꯐ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯁꯤꯆꯨꯋꯦꯁꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ historical society-na with a solid background, not a storytelling nataba, with a concrete example, piraga, asengba, achumba history ama, puthokpa ngamagadi. I think in near future we should not have any kind of conflict, we should not have any kind of misunderstanding. Aduna singi tiasu, singmi singi tiasu koi, very antobasu bright kali. Even pangan ki tiasu, hasana ibasangi. Otherwise there may be conflict in after few decades. Because conflict am tholo.
Health Minister Lampolapam Jayanta handed over a ventilator to the authority of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Jenims Hospital, to be kept at Jenims Incentive Care Unit ICU today. MediAssist Insurance Incentive Care Unit ICU donated the ventilator as part of its ongoing assistance in ensuring full implementation of Chief Minister Gi Hakshil Gi Tengbang CMHT and Ayushman Bharat PMJAY schemes. Jenims Director Dr. Bhimo, Medical Superintendent Dr. Jitendra, Health Director Dr. K. Rajo and senior doctors of Jenims attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, Minister L. Jayantakumar asserted that the ventilator will greatly help in treating patients. He disclosed that 18 more ventilators are on the way in Manipur under National Health Mission.
You say ICU, how is it without ventilator yaudam makla ICU ko biya trevo adu marmana si ventilator singa kun kuton dojobani ase both director and the MS of Jenims authority ma koi question azare aduga short patna tawi si mechin se lapadagi to mechin myam su lakane de loina anuba actually life ma tik anu makli kano ma koi mapok ama Jenims ta amuk latana anaba lairaba maroina lari pangki mangda leiba aduga sigumba se atop private hostel la effort to ngam jita ba kangbu singda sina achoba service pi gane yabagi madugi thajaba am si short patna to.
Responding to media query on the prevailing situation in the state and lack of trust people have in the government, Health Minister Jayantakumar stated that the state leaders team led by Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren had already urged the central leaders not to disintegrate Manipur by the finalization of the Naga peace talks. He added that central leaders' assurance that Manipur will not be affected and opinions of the stakeholders concerned will be considered before culminating the peace talks was given not only to the Chief Minister but to all the ministers. Appealing to believe in the centre's assurance, Minister Jayantakumar opined that democratic protest by people and CSOs of Manipur until the final outcome is justifiable.
Manipur Praja sing to riba si so sing to ri sing jama si ko loinam government side wholeheartedly akoina appreciate to im namti akoi sarkar pai kangmu khakna tana praja mayam gi wakhallon da sumain to base nungai te mai to biganu haibagi madugi amma to ri mayam sina impact amma government India pi ba adu tiam pai mayam te request ni ai gi side gi government side gi on the chief minister side gi Pero iba maklik government sa mi ama kaki mamang na piba natte mi miyang mamang dani minister miyang mamang dani minister miyang unurung matung dani de hoji congress ki team chakri congress team dosum hare kani but sida hire miyang til lag miyang da prajala pawu tamudoi ni adu madu ta shwatam hire aduna let us wait and watch to see adu pawu de akhoi ki kana sipul laga akhoi sum dhanga to sik sukai de it's so democratic process amne ki sukai de but to boderi thaje biu hon haiba dun do tawri witum thaje de haiba taraga de
Two-day national seminar on Commonwealth's literature, culture and folklore kicked off at the seminar hall of Manipur Institute of Management Studies, MIMS, Manipur University today. Department of English and Cultural Studies, Manipur University, and Indian Society for Commonwealth Studies jointly organized the seminar. Speaking on the sidelines, Professor of the Department of English and Cultural Studies, Manipur University, M. Mani, said that the seminar aimed to raise awareness on the underlying similarities of Commonwealth literature, culture and folklore, and to stress on the significance of culture and folklore in discoursing literature. He asserted that the academically beneficial seminar will not only enlighten on Commonwealth literature, culture and folklore, but also give a new dimension to culture and folklore.
Seminar se yamna academic oiba yamna kana ba dugumba seminar amane masina ikogi mayam gi wrong assumptions mayam ama traditional assumptions mayam literature ga culture ga lapna ba literature ga folklore ga lapna na urma mayam da dugi breeze tawna ba dugumba pot amane id nakshan na ba duga in id the study of literature in relation to culture and the folklore adugi pandam da ikoina the study tawrebs literature haiba se ikoina study tawmatam da thengnari bse atai karimtana te it is an expression of culture, it is the representation of culture, and in culture what we find again is
State-level painting competition on National Awareness Campaign on Energy Conservation 2019 was held at Raj Bhavan in Imphal yesterday. National NHPC Limited, in association with the Government of Manipur and Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited, MSPDCL, organized a competition as part of awareness campaign on energy conservation initiated by the Ministry of Power. Speaking at the event, Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah remembered the renowned painter of the state, late R.K. Chandrajit, popularly known as RKCS. Health Minister Lampolapam Jayantakumar also attended the event. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on all party meetings ahead of winter session of Parliament. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Afternoon News. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla has convened an all-party meeting tomorrow ahead of the winter session of Parliament beginning Monday. During the meeting, Om Birla will seek the support of political parties to ensure smooth functioning of the House. Rajya Sabha Chairman M. Venkaiah Naidu has also called a meeting of leaders of different parties in the upper house on Sunday. An all-party meeting has also been convened by the government on the same day ahead of the session. The winter session of Parliament will conclude on December 13. Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Girish Chandra Murmu has said that assembly elections in the Union Territory will be conducted soon. He was speaking at the attestation cum passing out parade of state police constables at Talwara Risi district in Jammu division yesterday. The Lieutenant Governor appreciated the role of police for bringing peace in Jammu and Kashmir and added that Jammu and Kashmir police has a major role to play during the elections in the Union Territory. He said that Jammu and Kashmir police has given huge sacrifices for maintenance of peace and normalcy. Security has beefed up in the state to avoid any untoward incidents in the wake of prevailing situations. As a part of the security measures, Imphal West District Commando team carried out search operations at various areas under the supervision of Imphal West District Police SPK Meghachandra today. The team, led by OCP Achauba, conducted cordon and search operations from Pishumthong till Chingamakong from 7:50 to 8:45 this morning. 75 individuals were verified, out of which 11 individuals without proper identification proofs were arrested. Coordinated search operations were also carried out at Jiri Parking, Maharani Bridge and Waheng Lekai bus parking from 9 to 9:55 a.m. today. 110 individuals were verified, out of which 11 persons without proper identification proofs were apprehended. Manipuri boys' hostel at Silchar town of Kashar district in Assam is in a deplorable condition. Journalists of Jiribam came across the pathetic condition during an inspection visit yesterday. The media team came across incomplete construction of kitchen, library and office of the hostel. Speaking to media, President of Manipuri Benevolent Society S. Komlakanta said that the hostel was established under Manipuri Benevolent Society in 1974. He asserted that many students from various states, including Manipur, Tripura and Assam, have been staying at the hostel. Komlakanta said that efforts are being made to take a renovation project of the hostel worth around 1 crore 20 lakh rupees. He said that Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan and Vice Chairman of Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited, K. Sarat Kumar, have been already apprised about the same. Speaking on the sidelines, President of All Assam Manipuri Student Union, P.H. Nilakanta, expressed disappointment that the Assam government has failed to give any positive response to their plea to renovate the hostel. He urged the state government to look into the matter without further delay.
ꯃꯤꯇꯔ 30ꯃꯨꯛ ꯄꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯍꯣꯁꯇꯦꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯥꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯂꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯋꯦꯜ ꯋꯤꯁꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯍꯣꯁꯇꯦꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯁꯥꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯍꯟꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯇꯣꯏꯂꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯐꯤꯕꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯂꯥꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯔꯤ ꯀꯥꯝ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯥꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯣꯂꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯅꯦꯝꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯊꯣꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯔꯠ ꯐꯤꯂꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯥꯛꯄ ꯇꯉꯥꯏ ꯐꯗꯕ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ ꯂꯥꯛ 4-5ꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯥꯔꯠ ꯐꯤꯂꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯪꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯥꯛꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯁꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛꯁꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯣꯔ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ ꯂꯥꯛ 10ꯃꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯚꯤꯜ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯂꯤꯗꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯂꯨꯝꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯔꯤꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯁꯥꯝ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯍꯦꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯁꯥꯝ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯠꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯗꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ ꯉꯥꯛꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯄꯣꯖꯦꯜꯁꯦ ꯊꯝꯈꯤꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯁꯥꯝ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯠꯗꯁꯨ ꯀꯌꯥꯔꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯕ ꯇꯥꯎꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯏꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯇ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯀꯂꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯍꯣꯁꯇꯦꯜ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯑꯦꯁꯑꯣ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯉꯒꯗꯤ
Mahindra Shiva Auto Tech Private Limited Ghari has opened its first smart outlet showroom at Moirang Okshungbung in Bishnupur district. Chairperson of Moirang Municipal Council Romi Bala inaugurated the showroom today. Sales manager of the showroom I Kiran Kumar asserted that the showroom will make available various products of Mahindra company to customers living far from the Imphal city. Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan urges historians to document only genuine historical facts of various communities to avoid conflicts in future. And Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla convenes all party meeting ahead of winter session of Parliament.